I still hear it, we hear it obviously a lot from customers because it is a re-education. Well, you're sending garbage traffic. You're not hitting the right audience. But it's actually the shift is that your ads, your copy and your creative should be selecting the audience, not you selecting the audience so that you're hitting the right people so that they'll buy whatever they put in front of them, which is kind of what it used to be.
You say that again.
Say that again. We're both say that again, Andrew.
Oh, no,
this is a value bomb. If you're listening, I need pull over if you're in the car. Like we're going to write this down. Yeah,
this needs a new nickname, by the way, just based upon this tip alone. Go ahead and say it again.
So what it used to be is you would pick your audience, do all your audience research and just put whatever ad you had, and it was much easier just to get people to buy it. Now you have to do the work on the copy and the creative side, and that is what is driving the audience that are going to buy your stuff.
And what you said that I loved was the creative finds the audience.
Yes.
Used to be that we would find the audience and then put creative in front of them. Now our creative is going to find the audience for us.
Yes.
And I'm going to say that in a nerdy, annoying way.
Do it.
Your creative should intrinsically qualify your prospect. If they engage with your creative, that intrinsically qualifies them as a qualified prospect for you. Meaning, if they like it, then they're the right customer. If they don't, then they're not. Which is interesting because that means we're playing less is more. You actually don't want more leads. You kind of want less. You want to attract and repel.
100%. And that's a huge mindset shift for most business owners. And it's also a mindset shift for media buyers that yes, we've known.
It's a mindset shift for me.
Everyone.
I want more leads all the time.
You want all the tricks.
Yeah.
I mean, imagine if you had great ad copy and great audiences, great targeting. That's awesome.
You're spinning dreams here, Ralph.
I know, but you can't have it all. Or where would you put it? Somebody once said, "We can't have it all because we won't have any place to put." I don't know. Anyway, Stephen Lynch, I think, said that. But anyway, no. The point is like this is a really important part. Like if now is the time to invest in great copywriting, great creative, great front end, attracting the ideal customer with less than maybe laser focused targeting that you had before. It wasn't really that laser focused, guys. Let's not forget. Like, remember when we had like all those additional categories and we would go down like, oh, I need people that live in suburbia and then make over $100,000 a year and then have a $5 million net worth and are interested in yoga. Like those audiences, you'd be like, oh my God, that's great. It's the greatest audience ever for my product. Well, those would never really work anyway. So, and then we swung the other way where we said, all right, well, let's just do like, 1% to 10% lookalike audiences for like all countries, or maybe the big five, or maybe the United States. So it swung the pendulum in the other direction. But now we're kind of in between there somewhere where we're still using large audiences, but it's now the ad copy and creative stuff from the creative lab, for example, at tier 11, that really is the thing that calls out that avatar, gets them interested, engages them at level 1 traffic, and pulls them in through less than ideal visibility inside Facebook, which is the reason why we use first-party tools.
Hey everyone, it's Carmen and Ashley from Gad's Girls. We're talking about 3 free tools that you can use today while writing ad copy and spying at your competitors at the same time. Now, Ashley, I know you're writing a lot of ad copies every week. What are some of the things that you think about first when you're diving into